This is going to be a quick unboxing of the 6 heat pipe CPU cooler that I got on eBay for less than $20. And here's everything that comes in the package. This is an adapter for pretty much every Intel socket that's modern. I don't believe this supports the rectangular versions of 2011 though. I don't know what this is for, but they included it. These go with the adapter. And here's some thermal paste. It doesn't look like super bad stuff, but actually, hold on, 2.4. It's okay. Now for the box itself. Let's have a look. Okay, it's already a different color than what I ordered. Nothing else in the box. Okay. So here we go. This isn't actually too bad looking. It's pretty small, but I actually ordered this because it was small, so that works for me. I believe this is a 92mm fan. Pretty standard. Nothing special. It's exactly what you think it is. I'm not sure what anyone would expect picking up something like this for less than 20 bucks, but let's see. I'm assuming that that means airflow direction, and it looks like that is correct. Okay, so at least they mounted that correctly. But yeah, that's it. This is... it is what it is. It's a cheap cooler, but I think that this is going to perform pretty well, which you should be able to find out in my follow-up video, where we are going to put this on an i7 3820 clocked at 4.4 gigahertz. And we will see what we can do. Catch you then.